Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a freelancer, gig worker, or self-employed and you've ever wondered how to properly set up your business taxes, today's video is perfect for you. I'm going to walk you through how to set up a self-employed business in TurboTax in 2025. Step by step, simple, and stress-free. Stick around till the end because by the time we finish, you'll know exactly how to report your income and expenses without missing a beat. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. At the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click it and log in with your existing account. If it's your first time here, you can easily create a new account. It's quick and straightforward. Once logged in, you'll land on the TurboTax homepage, which is your dashboard for managing all your tax information. Next, we'll focus on federal taxes, because this is where your self-employment reporting begins. Look for the federal section in the main toolbar or navigation menu and click on it. This is where you'll start entering all your income details, so pay attention here. It's crucial for accurate reporting. Within the federal section, head over to Wages and Income. Here you'll specifically want to find 1099-NEC, the form used to report payments you received as an independent contractor. Enter the income exactly as it appears on your 1099 NEC forms. Accurate reporting here is key because it determines your taxable income. Now let's set up the self-employment portion. Scroll down to the self-employment section and click Start. TurboTax will guide you through entering your business details, including your business name, the type of services you provide, and any expenses you've incurred during the year, like equipment, software, or home office costs. Make sure to include all legitimate expenses as they can reduce your taxable income. A couple of things to keep in mind. Account upgrade. TurboTax may ask you to upgrade to a version that supports full self-employment features. This is normal, so don't worry, just follow the prompts. Record keeping. Keeping thorough records of all your income and expenses is critical. It will make future tax filings much easier and ensure you don't miss deductions. And that's it. You now know how to set up your self-employed business in TurboTax for 2025. By following these steps, you'll be confident that your income and expenses are correctly reported and your taxes are handled accurately. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.